Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and I want to show you a project that we're just completed today. Actually, last night our guys were working until about 8 or 9 p.m. to complete this beautiful project, and I'll get close to it so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, here we have about 6 pedestrian gates, a sliding gate, and all that fence. And check it out, see how beautiful it is. I'm gonna get closer so you can realize this is something that you're not gonna find, and I'm talking from a lot of experience, probably not in the whole USA. It's something that we do. A lot of it is inventions of our guys. As far as how things getting put in so beautifully. I don't want my shade to be in the video. So here it is. I'm getting closer so you will realize also the material itself, how beautiful and perfect it is. This house, I cannot say who is it belong to, but believe me, it's probably the most detailed oriented person that is alive today. And him and his wife couldn't be happier. And I think if they would have get anything like that made out of iron or not done by us, they would have get probably very upset. And so here it is. Look at it. I'm getting closer. Because the reason I'm doing it, I really want you to realize, especially if you're a person who having like OCD, likes perfection, this is the product for you. This is an aluminum powder coated product, done with a high quality powder coating that will last for years and years. Doesn't require any maintenance. The only thing that you got to do with it is clean it up every once in a while. I'm going to get closer to the pedestrian gate. Look at the beauty of the material. Look at this beautiful handle. We also did the pillars in here. The power, the lights were brought by the client, and we just put it on. A mailbox. You can retrieve the mail from the back as well. I'm going to open the gate and check out the perfection of the opening. How quiet. It's like a pharmacy here. And take a look at it from here. See how sleeky. You don't see any chains or anything like that. Probably 99.9% of the gates in the US are made with chains, and it's kind of destroying the look of things. And in this case, look at that small motor. Very nice and quiet. Gate is closing, getting encased into a receiving post. Let's get closer to the locking area. Look at that lock. It's a mortise lock with a heavy duty bolt. This lock will last here forever probably. They are very, very strong. There is an electric strike in here where you can actually lock the bolt as well, so when you're away from home you can lock the gate on both sides. And look at the receiving post, how beautiful it is. Look at the finishes, pay attention to the details. And here we go. This is the mailbox where you can retrieve the mail from inside. If needs to, it's locked right now. And here is the gate's opened again. This gate not gonna work if the pedestrian gate gets open. There is a killer switch that's not gonna let the sliding gate open if the pedestrian gate is open. I'm trying to go as slow as possible so you can kind of see the details. I'm against the sun right now, so let's go to this side. And here we did another pedestrian gate, some panels, and here's a lever handle. Look at how it's closing beautifully. Here we did a few more gates to kind of hide the equipment, air conditioning, things like that. Now they're asking us for more gates to replace that wooden gates that they have on the side. After they saw that work, and they went crazy from happiness. And they want to do the rest of the stuff, and they also want to have a pergola done in a similar fashion. So we'll have them out and get it done for them as well. So that's about it. My name is Avi Ben David at Mulholland. We are here in Los Angeles, California, and we'd love to help you with anything you got to do with your gates, fences, railings, and any kind of security that you need. We have a division that works specifically on electronic security. We're doing a lot of electronic access systems for buildings and such. We're doing all the bollards that's going up and down, and basically kind of helping people getting their properties completely secured all the way, and beautifying it while we're securing it as well. Our number is 1-800-5625-770. My name is Avi Ben David. Thank you very much for watching our videos and subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day.